Join me as I take on the challenge of helping small businesses secure funding in record time. As a small business owner, you know how crucial it is to have access to funds quickly. Whether it's to cover unexpected expenses, invest in new equipment, or take advantage of a sudden opportunity, having the right amount of cash on hand can make all the difference. But sometimes securing funding can be a lengthy and frustrating process. One of the biggest hurdles small businesses face when trying to secure funding is the lengthy application process. Many traditional lenders require a ton of paperwork, financial statements, and business plans, which can be overwhelming and time-consuming. And even after you've submitted your application, it can take weeks or even months to hear back. Another challenge is the strict eligibility criteria. Many lenders have strict requirements when it comes to credit scores, revenue, and collateral, which can make it difficult for some businesses to qualify. This can be especially tough for startups or businesses with limited financial history. The good news is that there are alternative funding options available that can provide quick access to cash. For example, grants can be a great way to get funding for specific projects or initiatives. Loans, on the other hand, can provide a lump sum of cash that can be used for a variety of purposes. Crowdfunding is another option, where you can raise money from a large number of people, typically through an online platform. Alternative financing methods such as invoice financing or merchant cash advances can also provide quick access to cash. These types of funding options are often more flexible and have fewer eligibility requirements than traditional loans, and they can be faster to apply for and receive, with some lenders providing funding in as little as 24 hours. Take, for example, a small business that provides event planning services. They were struggling to manage their cash flow, but were able to secure a fast funding loan and use it to invest in new marketing efforts. As a result, they were able to land several new clients and increase their revenue significantly. The impact of timely financial support can be huge. It can help you take advantage of new opportunities, cover unexpected expenses, and invest in growth initiatives. And it can give you the peace of mind that comes with knowing you have the cash you need to succeed. In fact, this business was able to increase their revenue by 50% within just a few months of receiving the funding. They were able to hire new staff, invest in new equipment, and take on more clients. And they were able to do it all without sacrificing their cash flow. So, if you're struggling to secure funding for your small business, know that you're not alone. There are options available that can provide quick access to cash. From grants and loans to crowdfunding and alternative financing methods, there's a solution out there for you. Thanks for watching. If you've had any experiences with small business funding, good or bad, I'd love to hear about them in the comments. And be sure to check out my next video, where I'll be sharing tips on how to write successful grant applications.